Gender rules, no? So rule refers to the expectations that go along with being male versus females. Like for example, kana bitong gihatag nga atong timan-anahan nga ang gender is kanang very diverse, no? Daghan siya category. So that is why, no, even if you are male, but the rules nga gihatag sa kanini ang or expectation sa family, sa society, and also sa uh, culture ninyo is lahi, no? Lahi ang expectation nga ano na, gihatag sa community sa inyo, ha. Like for example, mayroon sila nga, you act this way, you act like that, you act like this, no? Una, it could affect, no, our personality, our gender. Okay, so it means how we're expected to act, speak, dress, groom, and conduct ourselves based upon our assigned sex. Okay? Ang gender roles, kung yung ako ganyan, no, pwede siya mapiktuhan sa culture. Okay? But for those kanina ang strict culture, no, or family, if you are a male, dapat you will dress, you will act, you will speak, no, according to your sex, lalaki, no, or according sa imuhang kanilang pagkapabay. But no, sometimes because of the influence of the society, mausab na siya nga expectation or nga rule. Okay? Unang ang uban is pag-abot sa ilahang kanang teenage nga kanilang ages, mausab. Muna dayon magka-create of gender na nalimot ko sa term, no? Psychological term. Ato lang balikan, no? Magka-create siya og kana bitong mag-doubt siya sa iyang kanini ang gender kung unsa siya. Okay? Lucky siya but ga-doubt siya sa iyang kaugalingon if lucky ba gid siya or by because maka-feel siya or ma-attract siya towards his or her kanini ang same sex, no? Ibog siya lucky siya, may ibog siya bayi kung bayi siya inana, no? Sometimes maka-create siya og kanini ang gender conflict. I'm not sure with the term, but na siya kanang psychological term. Anyways, now let's proceed. So, gender rules are the social definition of women and men conditions. So, next is gender and development. Okay? So, muna siya, no? Gender and development refers to the developmental perspective and process that is participatory and empowering, equitable, sustainable, free from violence, respectful of human rights, supportive of self-determination, and actualization of human potential. Okay? Kung atong lantawon, no, it is not just this gender development, it's not just focusing on the women, no, but to all. Okay? So, it seeks to achieve gender equality as fundamental value that should be reflected in development or the choices and contains that women are active agents of development, not just passive recipient of development assistance, and stresses the need of women to organize themselves and participate in political processes to strengthen their legal rights. Okay? Because it is not just only sa kanini ang men, but equal right, meaning tanan, all members of the society regardless of gender. For example, sa political, di ba, diha mabias ato ang judgment because kanini ang kung ingon tag female, no, weak, ingon tag male, no, kanini ang strong. That is why, for example, into political context, kung mo vote atong pilion sometimes is kanini ang laki because of this character sa laki than sa bayi. Okay? So, gender and development is an interdisciplinary field of research and applied study that implements a feminist approach to understanding and addressing the disparate impact that economic development and globalization have on people based upon their location, no, gender, class, background, and other socio-political identities. Okay, so giwala nato ang kanini ang gender discrimination, all types of discrimination. Dili lang kay siya gender but all types of discrimination, no? So, a strictly economic approach to development views a country's development in quantitative terms such as job creation, inflation control, and high employment rate, all of which aim to improve the economic well-being of a country and the subsequent quality of life for its people. Kung ma-achieve mo natin ng gender equality, no? Meaning, ang economic opportunity, employment opportunity niya is very wide. No, diha makita ang kanini ang how improve economically ang ato ang country, no? Unang mudato ato ang country economically because of this gender equality. Naanay opportunity tanan regardless of gender, gays, bisexual, lesbian, bi, laki, transgender, open siya sa job or employment opportunity sa kanini ang society or establishment. Next, gender and development in the Philippines. Okay, so Philippine Plan for Gender and Development dated 1995 to 2025. Okay, is a national plan that addresses, provides, and pursues full equality and development for men and women, approved and adopted by former President Fidel V. Ramos as Executive Number 273 on September 8, 1995. It is the successor of the Philippine Development Plan for Women 1989 to 1992, adopted by Executive Number 348 of February 17, 1989. Meaning, atong lang tawo, no? This was adopted by former President Fidel V. Ramos, no? Meaning, apila siya sa Constitution. It is constitutionalized. Meaning, for katong gingon ako ganyan, for example, makaha ang mga kanina Jollibee, Gaysan, Nana, mga establishment, mamili sila og kanini ang mamili sila og kanini ang i-employ, no? They are subject to this kaning executive order. So, next is Republic Act number 9710, otherwise known as the Magna Carta of Women, was approved on August 14, 2009, which mandates non-discriminatory and pro-gender equality and equity measures to enable women to participate in the formulation, implementation, evaluation of policies and plan for national, regional, and local development. Dili lang kay ang idea or kung mag-formulate og kanini ang mga policies, di lang kay ang paon ng mga idea is sa laki because we have different ideas in terms of formulating or implementing and also evaluating policies. Okay? A memorandum circular number 2011-1 dated October 21, 2011 was released addressing to all government departments including their attached agencies, offices, bureaus, state universities, state universities and colleges, government-owned and controlled corporation, and all other government instrumentalities as their guidelines and procedure for the establishment, strengthening, and institutionalizing or institutionalization of GOD focal points. So meaning, government, nasa sa kanini, for example, barangays, like what I've said, no? Nasa sa barangay, and also nasa school. Actually, no, this GOD, nasa sa school na to, no? We have kanini ang focal person every departments. Okay? So, as there kanini ang, and also sa mga barangays, sa cities, municipalities, no? All other kaning government agencies or private agencies. This GOD or Gender and Development Focal Point System or kanini ang siya mga offices, no? Naana siya sa mga kaniniyang agencies. Okay, next is gender equality. Okay? So gender equality is intrinsically linked to sustainability or sustainable development and is vital to the realization of human rights for all. Yun lang tawag no, human rights for all, meaning regardless of kaning gender, but because he or she is human, no, he or she is subject to this equality. Only we are all equal. Okay? Atong lang tawon. Because we are all human. Meaning, kung may mga opportunities, it is not, ang opportunity di lang kay ihatag siya sa kanini ang mga laki because we are not kanini ang giwala na nato ang patriarchal system, no? Meaning tanan ay maka sina, ang opportunity is tanan ang makakuha because we are all human. Okay? Next is the overall or overall objective of gender equality is a society in which women and men enjoy the same opportunities, rights, and obligation in all spheres of life. Next is gender equality means that women and men and girls and boys enjoy the same rights, resources, opportunities, and protection. Equality means shared all aspects of human rights and privileges in the society because it is very important no nga regardless atong gender makadawata kung unsay kanina ang ato ang gikinahanglan or unsay kaninang gidawat pud sa uban okay regardless sa ato ang gender that is why no equality means shared all aspects of human rights and privileges in the society or in the community. Next is gender equity kaniha atong i-differentiate ang gender equality and gender equity. Okay, let me read first the meaning. Okay, so gender equity is the process of being fair to women and men. So gender equity acknowledges that women and men have different access to resources, power, responsibilities, and life experiences, and different strategies are often necessary to address disadvantages and achieve equal outcomes of women and men, boys, and girls. Meaning, kung unsay akong panginahanglanon, no, mao po na ang ako ang madawat. For example, di ba? For example sa ayuda, na pagsugod sa kanini ang pagsugod sa COVID, di ba? Naghatag og ayuda, ang katong mga kwartahan, mga dato, ang uban di kadawat. Ang uban ang gi-priority nila is ang katong pobre. That is equity. Kinsa tong mas nanginahanglan motoy mas dako og kanini ang madawat. For example, ang dili siya ani nga senaryo nga ang dato sumuto ka dato, ang pobre sumuto ka pobre, meaning ang dato nara siya di nga label. Ang pobre mo saka ang level. Kuha ninyo, that is equity. So, gender equity is the process of being fair to women and men to ensure fairness, strategies, and measure most often be available to compensate for women's historical and social disadvantages that prevent women and men from otherwise operating on a level playing field. No, equity leads to equality. Okay, and gender equality requires equal enjoyment by women and men of socially valued goods, opportunity, resources, and rewards. Okay. Inyong lantawon, equity leads to equality because no kanini ang because regardless of our kaninang gender kung kuan siya kaninang gender equity atong gamiton meaning lahi-lahi ang ihatag depending on our kaning unsa ato ang kakayahan as a person muna siya and it leads to equality parihara tag outcome. Okay? At the end, for example, at the end of the day, pahatag outcome because no kanang gi-assigned according to our power, according to our resources, depending on our gender. Okay? Nakuha. So where gender inequality exists, it is generally women who are excluded or disadvantaged in relation to decision making and access to economic and social resources. Okay? Muna siya, kung naay ka na ang gender inequality, luoy kayo ang women than men. Okay? Nga naman, mubalik na po na itong culture nga, patriarchal, nga dapat ang laki, muna siya, mas higher ang iyang opportunity. So next is continuation of the differences between gender equity and gender equality. So, therefore, a critical aspect of promoting gender equality is the empowerment of women with a focus of or identifying and redressing power imbalances and giving women more autonomous to manage their own lives. Gender equality does not mean that men and women become the same, only that access to opportunities and life changes is neither dependent on nor constrained by their sexes or sex. So achieving gender equality requires women's empowerment to ensure that decision making at private and public level and access to resources are no longer weighted in men's favor. Motok niyon ganiya dapat i-acknowledge pod ang kanini ang decision sa women. So that both women and men can fully participate as equal partners in productive and reproductive life. Okay?